Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create draft orders in Shopify. So to create a draft order in Shopify, you just have to follow these steps. Step number 1 is to open your Shopify, and then from there, just go to your orders, then tap on drafts. So next to that is to click create order, and then add products to the order by searching for them or browsing your product lists. So after that, just add the customer's details to the order. And this is optional, but you can customize the order by applying discounts, turning taxes on or off, adding tags or notes, and changing the market to display a different local currency. Next is to choose one of the following actions. So first is to send an invoice by email to the customer, which includes a checkout link for payment. Next is accept payment directly from the customer. Next is to set payment terms for payment due later. And then lastly is to save the order as a draft to update later. So you can also duplicate existing orders or draft orders to save time when creating new draft orders. So draft orders are useful for creating orders on behalf of customers, so selling products at discount or wholesale prices, and managing orders between your online store and retail locations rather. So for mobile devices, you can create draft orders using the Shopify application by tapping the orders icon, then the plus button, and then just follow the similar steps. So draft orders can include products, discounts, shipping rates, taxes, customer information, tags, and market settings. So if you want to reserve inventory for the draft order, you can do so to prevent other customers from purchasing those products. So for detailed steps and options, you can visit the draft orders section in your Shopify admin. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can create a draft orders in Shopify. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!